Hi everyone, Hornet here. In this video I will be explaining how to invite GiselleBot to your server. I will also give you a general overview of the bot, some of the things that she can do, and I will tell you kind of what you should do whenever you are, starting out with this bot. So the first thing you're going to want to do, head on over to your search engine of choice and search up GiselleBot. You're then going to want to go to one of the links. I'm just going to use top.gg, but any of these other links work as well. You're then going to want to click on invite, and it will then take you to this screen. Let me just close that. You can then add your bot to a server. So you can select a server, for instance. So I'm just going to select this server. I'm going to do continue, and then it will give you a list of permissions that you will be giving this bot. So I recommend giving this bot every permission on this list, and the reason I recommend that is because for the bot to work correctly, it's going to need access to all of these permissions. But you can, of course, if you want to, customize it and just remove one or more permissions if you want to, but it is not recommended in my opinion. So once you have the bot on your server, a role will be created that is called GiselleBot. Now this role is only for GiselleBot, so you cannot give this role to anyone else. You can also not delete. You can also not delete the role. You can also not delete the role. That made no sense. But yeah, so basically this role is here as long as the bot is here, right? So as long as your bot is on the server, this role will stay. Also, it won't be golden. It'll just be a default color, but I gave it a golden color because I don't know, I wanted to. I don't know. So yeah, and then of course you can also customize the permissions it has, manage channel, manage roles, manage server, etc., etc. And yeah, so what exactly does GiselleBot do? Well, it does a lot. There's a lot of really great auto moderation features that I will be getting into in further videos. There's also a lot of great administration features, and there's just a lot of just great features in general. Like even if you're not looking for like an auto moderator bot, this bot has a lot of really fun and really just interesting features that I think a lot of Discord servers could benefit from personally. So anyways, that little tangent aside, the first thing you'll want to do once you have the bot on your server is you're going to want to do !help, and then you will get a list that will look like this. And here's a list of modules that are available for use in this server. So let's say I wanted to figure out what the util module is. Well, I could just do !help util. It would then give me a deep dive into the utility commands. So I can look at the different commands I can do. So for instance, let's just do a command. Let's do serverbots. It may not work. I'm not sure. Let me actually try another one. Let's try server info. See if that works. There we go. So this is the server info command, right? This kind of just tells you, when it was created, text channels, voice channels. Right now, this is just a test server, right? This is mainly for videos like this, but it's also for just testing around the box. I do have it on my main server, and I mean, yeah, this bot's pretty amazing. I don't know why the server bots command didn't work. It might just be because it's GiselleBot's the only one there, so that might be why. But yeah, I mean, GiselleBot's a great bot, and I will be making a lot more videos on GiselleBot in the future, talking about a lot of these other modules and just kind of some of the things that I've used the bot for in my personal server. And yeah, so I want to thank you all for watching, and if you have any questions for me or any questions for the team or just how to use the bot in general, let us know in the comments section and we will get to it as soon as possible. So yeah, thank you for watching, and have a good day or night, depending on your time zone.